I'm finding a way to become a millionaire.
Job, 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 job.
Silence. You think a job gives you freedom? Sit down. Today you'll finally learn the truth. 3 steps every millionaire followed. Solve a painful problem. Millionaires don't get 9-to-5 jobs. They solve one painful problem. I will give you an example. Zuckerberg built Facebook for college kids. Bezos made shopping easier with Amazon. Musk attacked gas prices through Tesla. Find one problem, solve it better than anyone. Start a business that solves a real pain. It can make you a millionaire, even a billionaire.
Sir, may I come in?
Come here. You just missed the most important point. Go back and meet me after class. 2. Sell before you build. Stop wasting years building the perfect product. Test it. Ask people what they want. Watch what they actually buy. Pre-sell it. The rich don't guess what will sell. If no one pays, your idea isn't real. It's just fantasy. 3. Scale with system. Millionaires don't just work harder. They build machines, employees, ads, software. At first you hustle, then you hire, then you automate. Problem plus sales plus systems equals $1 million. That's it. Subscribe for the next video, or your horse classmates get punishment.